Hello, today I present to you the clip clamp. You see, clip clamp. It's not much, it's a small piece of plastic that I designed and had made, which is very strong and will allow you with just 2 fingers to maintain the line post insulator that you already know on a T-post. The clip clamp is designed to be used with heavy-duty T-posts. So here is how it is set. It moves apart, it's virtually unbreakable, it's protected from UV rays. In short, it's a small wonder. It does not cost much at all because it's just a small piece of plastic. It comes in a bag of 100. So to install it, the clip clamp is ready. You just have to position it in place in front of the 2 holes and you press a finger. Clip clamp. Have you heard? And from there, impossible to tear it out. It is there forever. Now, if you live in an area where there are tornadoes, strong winds, which will shake the fence, you put 2. It is not essential for some areas, but if you get extreme weather, you might want to use 2 and install one on top and one at the bottom. Listen to that. Clip, clamp, and here you are. Now, if you live in a northern area where there is a lot of snow, to be on the safe side, since it costs minimal, you can install the 3rd clip clamp. But in general, 1 or 2 will be fine. But if you have extreme weather and want extra durability, add that 3rd one. If you want to dismantle your fence, use a large screwdriver as a lever. You see how it is solid? Same on the other side. Haha, I told you it was strong. This is a double clip clamp, and this is to show you that everything can be dismantled. But clip clamp is very strong. Clip clamp. And here you are. It's as simple as that.